Best programming languages to learn in 2023. The best programming languages to learn in 2023 will depend on your goals and the field you are interested in. However, here are some popular programming languages that may be worth considering. 1. Python. Widely used in data science, machine learning, and web development. 2. JavaScript. Used for front-end and back-end web development, as well as mobile app development. 3. TypeScript. A superset of JavaScript that adds optional static typing, which can help catch errors earlier in the development process. 4. Rust. A systems programming language that provides high performance, memory safety, and concurrency. 5. Kotlin. A modern, concise, and safe language for Android app development. 6. Swift. A programming language developed by Apple for iOS, macOS, and other Apple platforms. 7. Go. A language developed by Google that is good for building networked and concurrent systems. 8. R. Widely used for data analysis, statistics, and data visualization. 9. Julia. A high-level language for numerical and scientific computing, with performance similar to compiled languages like C and Fortran. Of course, these are just a few examples, and the best language to learn will depend on your specific interests and career goals.